Ito kami ni Honey guys, oh. Vlog.
Hi everybody.
It's all about the pizza. Okay, how is it?
My toy. Yeah, my kite. Stupid kite eating tree. Mean old tree. Trees are mean. They tried to eat my kite.
Really?
Yes. And it ate the tail. Broke my toy.
Now you're sad?
Yep.
You can replace them. You can... What? you act like a baby. You cry. Ito kami guys. Ayan po ako sa likod namin. Kaya... So nag-stop na kami kasi nasira nga yung isang kite ni Honey, no? Palit na bagay lang naman. Pwede niyang palitan. So, ayan, upo kami, tignan mo. Of course, ngayon, mahangin siya. Tignan mo yung, ano namin, no? Beach, ano namin. What do you call this on my lap? Beach? Basement. Diba? Oh. Oh, ito pala yung ano natin, no? Ito yung, ano natin, ito yung attire natin, well. Ayan, sinuot ko na siya guys. So, kayo nang bahala mag-judge kung ano na. Anong masabi ninyo.